Menteri Rangba ka Jala Meghalaya Konrad ke Sangma haka Jingwan Jurep Hapo ka Southwest Khasi Hills District kabadai jong ka Mawphor CNR di Blong ulapan kyrshan ni paidbah bakin ailam ka ketiga man ka ketiga diang na ka benta uba karne shemphang ubadai kertong jong ka NPP na po ka Mawphor District Council Constituency kanang makaroy ka par kan la bantulun haki benta barwa. Shushu ula buru ka jengkerpat bakin pa ayu ba karnes ba unlong ru ka linti jangki kampen roy hapo ka dong kathan haka juga por blakentu bakom ki paidbah kim day ban skap ni shailam bakla haki jingkran jangki politics haki rensan social media hakum kini kisngi henry kom ki paidbah ki day ban jid yu briew ubla den lupa ka sorkar hakani ka juhi ka singi Menteri Rangba ka Jala Konrad ke Sangma ula ledru haki shinang kynhun yaka sngi maulen mau thau pada dolun rang blang so senyang maulangwer rang mau sakwang padhapo sngap sim college.
Uh, 43 SSG here in our village. Let's all give a round of applause.
Qua ông ta lâm này chỉ quaวันใจชิมินสตาร์มาบาจีองบ้าอุมัดจีละจงอุมัดสเนียวละจงปัดมันเนี่ยกันนี่ก็จงอันพินเนี่ยอุละจีละจงเนี่ยพี่บัดอุละจีละจงyangนี่ก็จักอุละสเนียวละจงyangจงฟ้าจงสนองงัดไตรตักกะตักละเบียงเราชุกว่าพน้องเล่มนี้ชิมินสตาร์ว่างัดดีบอสงัดดีบอสเลยในชุกว่าเป็นที่พี่about doing no namar ba kiti kiwiสนองอุละไรเนาะพน้องkata-kata kaman mentah udik keleng-keleng larai no inti-inti la tho tenri meni ong no kani jong kerpat ka VO jong kerpat ka salansa ulai ong nga ba kani ka chinong jome. This is your village, so we'll discuss thoroughly, we'll give the best.
Absolutely.
So promise kata
Maximum we will give.
so I my bon thank you so much sir. Nga chukwa pun orang ni nama para naduh long te ngala dong sa kani ke jong wan jong cui hapo malwer bani chai pi klong ken ka wika purpose ka ba don tam na ka mata kani ka synthetic track bat ka ki sports infrastructure lari ki jong te ye ki jagai le kai po malwer ma chi biang ka jaka chi pahu ka jaka ka sunong ka sai ka sport club ka sai ka jaka ka sunong pat kani kani kabanta bo chimin sa la komen palat padu kwa ban ong ban ne kani ka national games kawan ada bekran mata kalong ba sinsa unsa chong te po sekretariat banyak kran bat ke officer ke kepala ban le banalor kata chinya bodin banda kali ang jonga kumulong ba chin sa trilang hagini ki por masudap election chinya bodin ni kam ki jong angnot jong ka chunong bat kham tam na kali ang jonga nga chupa ban ong talam nei kani ka buksiar yung chi kum kini alam po kachnong ngadi trasnong nei para ju kapor ngadang dehi UMDC du mane hadu banda declare the way da menjob te ngaput kerpa di film nei lada pidang jidon kam chi badong bacin nang yan mata bat kani ka sorkar ngatrai pila sapkan la jong eta banga ong aya re nei lada pidang don kam chi bani an mata bat ka sorkar bat ki jong angno jong sunong te masih perkhan la jong masaya mudur la jong kumno bode bele hakani election DC chimin sabla kan bas direct bodong ba masa perkhan la mi ba kanas ka chong pi pa ngali ngan ni po chnong ngas ko ba dia tu pi na chola ri bendi ru ngachung kisam pi la ne bade kundu marmet pi namar ngakan la dang ala bele iya kadai hin kong ya kani chnong molwer pa kata kadika jong mudur ka jonga baladang adi ban bor cikata cipat ere khubor cipala ere ban leian ring perkhat ba kane kade ka por ba kabuk siar na ka tai jurci ladang di ban co bani alam kum MDC jom kane ka dong khan
very happy that I have got a chance to once again come here. Of course, I have always crossed the village of Mawphor, and I have stopped and seen the monoliths also many times, but I have not got a chance to enter the village. So this is my first time officially as Chief Minister coming for an official program. And for that, I would like to thank Karnes for making that happen. When I told him I will come for election campaign and to organize one meeting for me in Mawphor, he told me, sir, don't be like other politicians. Other politicians, they will come to Mawphor and they will go away. But real politics and people are in the villages and in the rural areas. So if you want to really work and meet the people, then don't have a big meeting, but go to the villages, meet the people, and it is he who has made this program for me along with our district president. And I once again thank him for taking this initiative of organizing this meeting. Friends, as you are aware that very soon there will be district council elections on February 21st. And I want to share with you that this election is very, very crucial and very important for the constituency and for the village and for the people of this area. Because this is an opportunity for you to work directly with the government and work directly with the Chief Minister. As a government, there are many programs that we want to do. But without having representatives for my party, without having leaders through whom I can work, it is sometimes very difficult for me to give the developments even though we want to give them. And therefore, this election is about the development of Mawphor constituency as a whole and Mawphor village in specific. And as you know, many political parties come, they give all kinds of negative speech and lecture where they will insult the government, they will insult the Chief Minister, they will give all negative comments, they will always try to divide the society and the people, and they play that kind of negative politics. I don't believe in negative politics. But the reason I'm telling you this is because once the election is over on February 24th and the result is out, all these lectures and speech given by all these political parties and negative will all be over.